Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between store locations on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're out of town or maybe you move locations and you want to go ahead and switch store locations on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right hand corner. Then from there, go ahead and scroll all the way down. And then where it says My Store, click on Change. So this is where you can enter your zip code, city, or state, and then select which store you want as your local store. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch between store locations on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.